A keyboard can be more than just a tool. It can be the centerpiece of your entire setup. Meet the Redragon TERRAFLARE K762. Built with a full-size 104-key layout, smooth linear switches, and 5 layers of sound dampening, it delivers a satisfying typing experience with every keystroke. And the sound is just as impressive. Thanks to its layered sound dampening design, every keystroke feels deep, smooth, and incredibly satisfying. The built-in TFT Smart Display adds a premium touch, while the multifunctional knob gives you quick control over volume, media, brightness, and more. With hot-swappable switches, dynamic RGB lighting, and 3 connection modes, 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth, and USB-C. It's designed for both gaming and productivity. Don't miss out. Link in the description.